Donc, je suis juste allé aux toilettes. Alors, so I was just in the toilets, in the bathroom. Basically, so there was this car, and so at the time, you see, I did not understand anything. So, anyway, after I started working, more problems. So basically, I mean, seeing this car is not a problem, but the two problems that I talked before, I did not think about it. When I got my computer delivered to me, there were problems also. When I started working, there were a lot of problems on my devices, on my computer, on my router. Okay, and this is basically where I kind of I'm burned out. I burned out. I was really depressed. A lot of things were happening. I did not understand, and I came back. And so I just kind of came back to France because of all of this. Okay, and at the time I did not understand. Okay, now I understand that obviously. So I realized this when I was in France in the hospital. Okay, so when I was in France in the hospital, I realized that I had some kind of chip. Okay, some kind of thing in my head. All right, but I did not realize this before. Okay, just to be clear. Some kind of thing in my head to that so I don't know exactly the extent of what can be done with that, but I have that. Okay, but basically from this point and so I wanted to talk about the American dream through my experience. So you kind of understand at a high level what happened, okay? And so after this, when I was in the hospital, so first I was really depressed. I was saying nothing. And so I will explain why I was saying nothing in the hospital, okay? So basically, because this is what the hospital, I think, did not understand. But basically, so I think they said that they did not understand it, but I don't know exactly what the hospital is thinking about all of this. Okay, so but after that they gave me a disease. Okay, they gave me a disease that made my life fucking horrible, and that through drugs. So basically, they castrated me. Okay, they completely prevented me to ejaculate, and they gave me I think woman drugs. Okay, and after that and before that they gave me a disease. So basically they gave me a disease and they tried drugs on me. Okay, just for you to understand. Okay, all right. So and basically I want to talk about the American dream through my story. Okay, so you now know at an high level my story. Okay, so not all the details, but at a high level. So I think that at first the American dream was through a hidden system, okay, that people do not know about, okay. People just kind of evolve in the society, and if they try to do good, they can raise, earn more money, do more good, and things like this, without even realizing everything hidden that's happening, okay? And so I think the idea of the American dream is that in 5 to 10 years, usually, if you work hard enough and if you work on problems that can change the world and that can make the world better, you can rise really, really fast. And if and so basically the goal is to not know about the hidden system and just rise to the top thanks to the American dream, if you want to do good and make the world a better place. Okay, so I think the American dream is about that. Okay, for me this is about that. Okay, and so there's a good analogy for that. Meme, military underground, paradise above. Okay, here you see. So there was a lot of so I saw this meme a lot of times. So you see kind of how it is. So for me, the American dream is about this. So there's basically a lot of there's an hidden system, and people are not supposed to know about it. Okay, and basically rise through the system, not through the system, but rise thanks to the system to the top, basically without realizing that, and making good to the world. Okay, this is this is supposed to be the American dream. Okay, for me, maybe for you it's different. Maybe I did not understand it. Okay, I don't know exactly. Okay, and basically, so there was one event. So basically, these two events were, so the event where so there, this is proof that I had something in my head, but I did not realize it. Okay, and so the two events that I talked before, and after that, in the hospital when I realized there was something, I thought about the American dream and everything. Okay. And so rapidly I was like, okay, I should not talk about this. You see, because the people above, you see, you don't want them to know that a lot of people kind of suffering. Okay? And so I was like, okay, I'm not going to talk about this. And so I was like, if I start to talk, then in this case, I don't want to lie. Okay? The thing is that I don't want to lie, and I never want to lie. And to the best of my ability. Okay? So basically, what happens is that if I did not want to lie, and I did not want to reveal some things that could make people really, really fucking sad, then I had to say nothing. And so I said nothing for more than 6 months. Okay? And basically, after that, I was depressed for years. Okay? And at one point I said, okay, tired of your bullshit, I'm starting to say everything. Okay? And so sorry for the people kind of above. I started to reveal things through the video streams. Okay? So but sorry my guys, But I think making things in a clear way will, I think, be better for the future, because I think people kind of destroyed what this was supposed to be. Basically, there's no neutrality at all. Some people that are really, really good can rise through and be at the top, which is really, really nice. But I think there's some fucking some of the worst people can also get to the top, which is fucking horrible. You see? So there is a problem in the system, and millions of people suicidal. This is not a normal thing to have in a society. Okay? Basically, people use the system to fuck up other people. Okay? So instead of creating a world where top people can rise and everyone can rise with them, what they do is that they fuck up on purpose a lot of people. Okay? So this is not, I think, what things are supposed to be. And I don't think that through the history, the American dream was that. Okay? So that's why I'm talking about a clear way, which everything is transparent and justified, and everything can and everyone can put feedback into the system and improve the system, and where there's unlimited top and accelerating rising floor. Okay? So I honestly think that there were some and so that's why I did not say anything. Okay? And I think that recently the the dream meaning, so what does the dream mean? It means being able to rise to the top of the hierarchy while doing good. This is what it means. Okay? And so for me, this is what it means. Maybe it means other things for other people. Okay? But for me, this is what it means. And basically, a lot of people throughout the world kind of try to develop systems like this. Okay? So systems that, so maybe it started in Europe first, then it was in the US, and next all over the world. Okay? And so I think that recently it became like some bullshit. Some people rising to the top while they're not fucking good at all. You see, and things like this. This is absolutely crazy. You see, so that's why I've been developing a system to make everything better through a clear way. So obviously this is against what the US was at one point, because and it still is, I think. At one point it was kind of a hidden system, and people that didn't know about this hidden system could rise through and be, extremely happy and live like everything's nice in the world. You see? So for me, it's really, really fucked up. Okay? And so that's why I've been trying to develop a better system through my experience of the American dream and my experience of the French system also. You see? And so I did a study also of China, which had a lot of growth in the past 45 years. Okay? So here you go. And the thing is to create a system where people could rise thanks to their actions and their thinking and what they can do in a neutral way. Because I think this got too political these last few years, and it fucked up society. Honestly. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm going to clip that. But you see, it's that's why I did not say anything. And honestly, so now that I've developed kind of a system, I have more basically how can I say this? I have more confidence in saying this. You see, but it's it was really hard for a long time, and basically it seemed like people were not trying to understand. You see, and so for me it was